Sort technology allowed us to do an awful lot of that work that we would not otherwise have been able to accomplish. For us, we saw an ROI on that investment. We saw significant additional sales and margin gains as a result of the investment that we made. The ability to process the volume, the surge in volume that we had would not have been possible to do with a manual sort operation, which is what we had. What can we do from a technology standpoint that will allow us to expand the operation, grow the operation, add complexity, but without adding a lot of additional headcount? NPI and the sort tech they have has allowed us to do that. And there's a lot of times that we'll call NPI and say, hey, here's what we're trying to do. How do we do this with the technology? And there's almost always an answer to that question. Oh, well, here's how you do that.
Our challenge here with First Mile was to come up with a back-end solution that they could use efficiently within the space and also their volumes. The solution that we came up with was the Xstream single shoe sorter that allows them to process at a very high rate of speed, but also maximizes the space that they have. Our job is to make sure that the machine is at full capacity, it's ready for when the customer needs it. We spend a lot of time here on site, not only providing on-site technical support, but also email, phone communication, and we want to make sure that if any new projects come along for the customer, the machine is ready, can perform optimally. As they've grown, we're excited to be part of their growth and part of their automation solution.